Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to run a PHP project in Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 or 10. So let's get started. To run PHP on Visual Studio Code, you'll need two things: Visual Studio Code and PHP. Let's start by downloading Visual Studio Code. Simply search for Visual Studio Code download in your browser and click on the first link that appears. Once the website is launched, you will see a download button. Click on Download to start the installation. Once the downloading is complete, open the exe file and follow the prompts. Accept the license agreement, select the necessary options and click Next until you reach Install. Wait for a while until the VS Code is installed. Once it's downloaded, click on Finish and the Visual Studio Code will now launch. Now, let's download PHP. Head to your browser and search for PHP download. The latest version available right now is PHP 8.3.11. Click on the Windows Download option. Next, you'll notice two download options: Non-Thread Safe and Thread Safe. Download the Thread Safe version as a zip file. The download should begin automatically. Once we have PHP downloaded, extract the PHP zip file. Right-click on the downloaded zip file, select Extract All, and wait for it to finish extracting. Once done, rename the folder to something simple like PHP 8.3.11. This will shorten the path. Now, move this folder to your C drive for easier access. Once moved, click on the address bar of the folder, right-click, and copy the path. Next, we need to add this path to the system environment variables. In Windows, search for Edit the System Environment Variables and open it. Click on Environment Variables, find the path variable under System Variables, and click Edit. Click New and paste the copied PHP folder path. Press OK to confirm all changes. With PHP added to the system path, let's verify the installation. Open Command Prompt by typing CMD in the search bar. In the command prompt, type php-version and hit Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you should see PHP version 8.3.11 displayed. Now that PHP is installed, let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Open the VS Code app. Close the welcome screen, then click on Explorer and select Open a folder. Create a new folder called PHP Programs, select it, and you're ready to create your first PHP file. Click the New File icon and name the file prog.php. Now, head over to the Extensions tab in Visual Studio Code and search for PHP Intelligence. Install this extension for better PHP support. Follow the steps in the extensions documentation to disable any built-in PHP features that might interfere. Here, we need to disable PHP language features. Once disabled, click on the Reload button to reload the app. Once that's done, search for and install the Code Runner extension. This will allow you to run your PHP programs directly in Visual Studio Code. Now, let's write our first PHP program. In your prog.php file, type PHP then echo, hello, world in brackets, and a question mark at the end. With Code Runner installed, you'll notice a Run button at the top. Click it, and you should see the output displayed in the terminal below. That's how you install PHP on Windows and run PHP programs inside Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.